Catherine Bernardo update. Yan ay story ni Catherine. Yan, KFC break. Just a set ng Someone Someday. Yan, may pa-KFC pa nga si Catherine. Yan, ganyan ka-generous si Catherine. At ang KFC, yun no, may pa-pan shop. Just a set ng Someone Someday. Yan, nasa taping si Catherine ng Someone Someday. Saka ito. Yan, nag-workout day si Catherine. Yan, kasama niya si Erg. Yan sila, so strong. Yan, fitness era si Catherine. Yan, BTR 31. Yan, doing taping ng Someone Someday. Yan, dyan sila nag-shoot sa UP Bliss, San Vicente, dyan sa Quezon City. Yan, abangan yan soon, Someone Someday. Netflix at sa PDB. Yan, busy si Catherine. Kasama iba pang mga cast. Yan, may nagbabalik ulit pa nga doon. Yan, Catherine Bernardo, James Reid, at mga Salvador. Kasama pa sila din po sa mga Koy Dele. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Love. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.